Hi everyone, I have made a working model of fan. For this, I took like this two wires, one single cell, a plastic pipe, DC motor, wings. I have made wings in home. You can buy in shop also, and a switch and extra wire. And I have took a lid also, a plastic lid. In home, it will be there. Now I will show you how I made a working model of fan. First I have took this cell and connected this wire to a positive terminal and another wire to 1 minute negative terminal. After that I have pasted by tape. I have placed the cell by plaster, and I have placed it under this lid, and I have made two holes to take out the wire, and have pulled the wire out, and also I have made a hole to connect the switch here on the plastic lid. There will be also two wires connected from DC motor, you can see here. I told you I have connected two wires to the cell. One one wire should be connected with the DC motor wire, and one more wire should be connected to switch. And from DC motor, another wire should be also connected to the switch. I have pasted all this from glue gun. See how now we will see how it will works. I will switch. I will switch on. See how it is working. See. Now I will off. Thank you. Thank you.